What's up, crypto community? It's great to have you here. We're all about exploring the most exciting projects in the crypto world, and today is no exception. If you're new here, join us by subscribing, and let's get the conversation started in the comments.
So first, let's talk about the problem. Most exchanges make you jump through hoops, accounts, verification, fees you don't see coming, and sometimes you just want swap your Bitcoin for Ethereum. Simple as that. That's where SimpleSwap comes in. It's a no-cryptic exchange, which means they don't hold your crypto. You find your coins in there, find the best rate, and you get your new crypto directly in your wallet. No sign up, no limits, no storage. And that's huge for people who value privacy and just want fast, clean swap without giving up control of their assets. Alright, so what exactly is SimpleSwap? It's basically an instant crypto exchange service. You can swap over 115 cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDT, you name it, and even buy crypto using your debit or credit card in over 30 coins. It's been around since 2022, and the whole mission is to make exchanging crypto fast, accessible, and safe. You don't need to make an account, but if you do, you can earn cashback reward up to 0.54% in USDT, plus access loyalty perk and discount fees. Let's check out how it looks. When you land on simpleswap.io, you will see this clean minimal interface, no clutter, no distraction. On the left, it says you send, that's where you pick what coin you're swapping from. On the right, it says you get, that's what you will receive. For example, if you send 0.1 Bitcoin, you will automatically calculate how much Ethereum you will get back. You can choose between floating or fixing rates, spending, and how stable you want to price. And if you scroll down, you will see top pair like Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin to USDT, or XMR to Bitcoin, all instantly dropped. It's seriously beginning friendly. Okay, let's break down the process step by step, because it's honestly that simple. You go to simpleswap.io, pick the crypto pair like Bitcoin to Ethereum, enter the amount you want to send, pass your recipient wallet address. That's where you will receive your new coins. Click exchange. SimpleSwap gives you a deposit address. You send your coin there, and once you will confirm the blockchain, boom, your swapped crypto arrives in your wallet. You can even try your transaction using the exchange ID. No registration, no delays. Now, here is what makes SimpleSwap stand out. No sign up needed. You can swap crypto instantly with full privacy, no custodial. They never hold your fund. You're always in control. 1015 coins supported. That's massive, including major and niche token. 24/7 support, real human, always available. Loyalty program. Earn cashback in USDT and level up to platinum user status. Affiliates ambassador programs. If you're a creator or developer, you can partner you with them and earn reward. Basically, whether you're casual trader or someone managing multiple wallets, SimpleSwap keeps it functional. Since 2021, they're growing steadily, no hype, no drama. They've added 5 payments, cashback reward, and an invite system that gives bonus for referent friend. Their long-term goal is simple because they go to global platform for instant private crypto swap for both, and based on their 15 years of operation, they're clearly doing something right. Now, SimpleSwap isn't a blockchain project with its own token or DeFi wallpaper. It's a service, but what they do offering full stack transparency, all their terms of service, privacy policy, and risk warning are public on their website. That level of openness is referring in the crypto space, especially for a no-custodial exchange. So yeah, SimpleSwap isn't trying to refine crypto, it's doing what crypto should done from the start. Make swapping fast, easy, and private. If you want to test it, check out simpleswap.io. Maybe try a small swap and see how smooth it feels. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below if you used SimpleSwap before, and would love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.